Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some potentially devastating news for the Samsung Galaxy S11 or the S20. Now, as you know, the Samsung Galaxy S11 could potentially be renamed to Samsung Galaxy S20, and on top of that, the best news that we have had so far for many people is the fact that the Samsung Galaxy S20 series, the three smartphones, were going to have 120 Hz refresh rate on the display. Now, I mentioned in my previous videos that it's not a big deal if it's 60 or 120. 60 Hz is a perfectly fine display, but a lot of people wanted the 120 Hz, and we had several confirmations from reliable leaksters that this was in fact going to happen. Now it turns out there's a chance this may not happen. Now, this news comes from a reliable leakster, Ice Universe, who made a tweet very recently that says this. Let me read the tweet. It says, Samsung is considering canceling the 2K 120 Hz option. Still 60 Hz. If this does happen, I recommend that everyone who considers buying the S20 series, the S20, please purchase the OnePlus 8 Pro, which will use 2K 120 Hz to give you the best experience. Let Samsung die. So definitely he himself seems to be very disappointed with this leak that he has received. He made some follow-up comments to this. It says the correct way is to keep 120 Hz and 60 Hz for users to decide, but that Samsung should not forcibly cancel the 120 Hz. I think this is disrespectful to the consumers, which makes me very disappointed. All right, so he's not the only one that's disappointed. Even I am disappointed if this is true, and of course a lot of people that were anticipating the 120 Hz were highly disappointed. Now, even though this is a devastating news, it's still a leak, and there is actually an optimistic tweet that he actually posted right after this. So let's read that as well and see what's happening. Let's stay up to date. So his latest tweet after he made the tweets where he said 120 Hz might be gone on Samsung displays, causing huge disappointment, he now said, maybe it's just a misunderstanding. This is the leak I am most unsure of. So please, the media and fans, don't take it as a definitive thing so as not to distort the facts. He continues to say, I believe Sam will not disappoint us because its latest flagship is called 20. It is a new beginning. All right. So even though we have the devastating news from his perspective, what he's saying is that that's a leak that he's not 100% sure of. So let's wait to see till he gets more information. And of course, we'll stay tuned very tightly for updates. All right. So as of now, there's a possibility, it looks like 120 Hz on the 2K display might be gone, but he's not sure. So it might actually come back. So we are going to be waiting for some updates. A lot of people seem to be disappointed, including Ice Universe and myself, even though I can still use a 60 Hz S11 or S20 as a daily driver, no problem, but it's best to have the latest on the market, as I've said before. All right, so if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day. Just let me know about your thoughts down below, and maybe Samsung can see them as well. All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.